Good afternoon. Today, our team will talk about the Hadoop application. To begin, we will talk about what is Hadoop. It is a collection of open source software utilities to perform calculations in a large amount of data. Provides a software framework for multiple storage in different locations and process them using MapReduce technology, process various structured and instructor to collect, process, and analyze big data. There are several advantages and disadvantages to using Hadoop. Understanding them will help your cause. Now, we will talk a little about its origins and its founders. Hadoop was created by Doug Cutting and Mike Garofalo in 2005. It was originally developed to support the distribution of the search engine product. Doug, who worked at Yahoo at that time and now he is the chief architect of Cloudera. He named the project for his son Elephant Toy. Cuting's son was 2 years old at the time and was just beginning to talk. He called his beloved yellow stuffed elephant Hadoop.
Hi, my name is Carlos and I want to talk about for the architect Hadoop. The base Apache Hadoop framework consists of the following core modules: Hadoop Common, the common utilities that support the other Hadoop modules; Hadoop Distributed File System, a distributed file system that stores data on commodity machines, providing very high aggregate bandwidth across the cluster; Hadoop Yarn, a rescue management platform responsible for managing compute resources in cluster and using the form scheduling of user application; Hadoop MapReduce, a programming model for large-scale data processing. In addition to the vast models, the term Hadoop has evolved to also include a dozens of other independent tools and projects that can be installed on top or alongside Hadoop to simplify access and processing of data stored in the Hadoop cluster. Ambari, GA, GUA for managing and monitoring Hadoop cluster. Hive, Hive data warehouse infrastructure providing SQL-like access to data. Peak, scripting language for accessing and transforming data. Scoop, managing data movement between relation database and Hadoop. Flume, it's a service for collecting data from long files into HDFS. Mahot, it's a machine learning library. Test, data flow programming framework built on Yarn for batch processing and interactive queries, used increasingly to replace MapReduce for hide and peak jobs. Spark, in-memory cluster compute framework used for fast batch processing, event string and interactive queries. Another potential successor to MapReduce, but not tied to Hadoop. Spark is able to use almost any file system for database for persistent. Soccerpre, a high-performance coordination service for distributed application. Apache Soccerpre.
Hi, my name is Oscar. I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of Hadoop. First, we're going to see the good things of use Hadoop. Highly scalable. It can store and distribute very large data sets across hundreds of inexpensive servers that operate in parallel. Unlike traditional relational database managed systems that can scale to process large amounts of data, Hadoop enables businesses to run applications on thousands of nodes involving many thousands of terabytes of data. Cost effective. The problem with traditional relational database managed system is that it's extremely cost prohibitive to scale to such a degree that allows the processing of massive volumes of data. Hadoop offers a solution for businesses exploring data sets. In an effort to reduce costs, many companies in the past would have had to downsample data and classify it based on certain assumptions as to which data was the most valuable. Flexible. Hadoop enables businesses to easily access new data sources and tap into different types of data, both structured and unstructured, to generate value from that data. This means businesses can use Hadoop to derive valuable business insights from data sources such as social media and email conversations. Hadoop can be used for a wide amount of purposes, such as log processing, recommendation systems, data warehousing, market campaign analysis, and fraud detection. Fast. Hadoop's unique storage method is based on a distributed file system that basically maps data wherever it's located on a cluster. The tools for data processing are often in the same servers where the data is located, resulting in much faster data processing. If you are dealing with large volumes of unstructured data, Hadoop is able to efficiently process terabytes of data in just minutes and petabytes on hours. Resilient to failure. A key advantage of using Hadoop is fault tolerance. When data is sent to an individual node, that data is also replicated to another nodes in the cluster, which means that in the event of failure, there is another copy available for use. Disadvantages. Now we are going to see the bad side of use Hadoop. Security concerns. Just managing a complex applications such as Hadoop can be challenging. It will be very difficult to understand. A simple example can be seen in the Hadoop security model, which is disabled by default due to sheer complexity. If whoever managing the platform lacks of know how to enable it, your data could be at huge risk. Hadoop is also missing encryption at the storage and network levels, which is a major selling point for government agencies and others that prefer to keep their data under wraps. Vulnerable by nature. Speaking of security, the very makeup Hadoop makes running it a risky proposition. The framework is written almost entirely in Java, one of the most widely used yet controversial programming languages in existence. Java has been heavily exploited by cyber criminals and as a result implicated in numerous security breaches. Not fit for small data. While big data is not especially made for big businesses, not all big data platforms are suited for small data needs. Sadly, Hadoop happens to be one of them. Due to its high capacity design, the Hadoop distributed file systems lacks the ability to efficiently support the random reading of small files. As a result, it will be a problem for organizations with small amounts of data. Potential stability issues. Like all open source software, Hadoop has had its fair share of stability issues. To avoid these issues, organizations are strongly recommended to make sure they are running the latest stable version or run it under a third-party vendor equipped to handle such problems.
Hi, my name is Juan and I will talk about two top companies looking for Hadoop professionals. Some examples are Google, Oracle, Yahoo, Amazon, IBM, Cisco, among others, and many more have been looking for Hadoop professionals. Various positions like product managers, Hadoop developers, software tester, database administrators, senior Hadoop developers, and alike are available. Companies are in need of experienced candidates as well as fresher with a working knowledge of Amazon Web Service or OpenStack is a big plus point. While some companies are looking for data scientists, for example Facebook or EMC Corporation, others are looking for analysts, however they all require Hadoop as the key skill. Many companies are looking for skilled Hadoop professionals who are capable to manage big data in their companies.